IBM Cognos Real-time Monitoring is an actionable intelligence solution that addresses time-sensitive decision-making needs across your organization, from managers to senior executives. IBM Cognos Real-time Monitoring empowers you with detailed intra-hourly data so you can make more informed decisions when immediate action is required. As we begin, you'll see that we can access our business's real-time monitoring content directly from Business Insight. Here you can access all the dashboard objects that can be created within real-time monitoring. Continually updating metrics can be dragged and dropped from your real-time monitoring content tree directly onto your unified workspace. These metrics can then be displayed with a desired refresh interval. For example, on this workspace for a call center director, we'll set the properties of the call volume to a refresh interval of 5 seconds. Now we'll drag the calls waiting metric onto our workspace. Calls waiting correlates with overall customer satisfaction, which we want to watch closely. The forecast call volume is displayed in green within the call volume metric on the left. We can compare this forecast against the actual call volume, which is displayed in red, and we can also view the number of handled calls, which is shown in blue. We can see that there is a spike in incoming calls at 1958 and can compare that spike to the forecast. It's clear that there is a drop in handled calls because the agents cannot keep up. As a result, there's also a spike in calls waiting at this same time interval. You can also quickly and interactively configure display parameters to view the data more clearly. Since the calls waiting metric is hard to read, we'll reduce the maximum value shown on the primary axis within the Chart Properties panel. After making the change, the calls waiting data is much easier to read. For more in-depth analysis, let's drag the agent utilization by call center metric onto our workspace. We can drill into the data for the Nevada call center by simply clicking on the chart from the workspace. Now we can see each agent's handle time, hold time, and overall utilization. We can also maximize the widget view to perform further analysis. Let's change the categories in the chart to show all employees within these call centers. From this view, we can apply a filter to display only the top agent with the most problematic hold time. By selecting Restore this widget, we return to the workspace view. Note that our filter is maintained. Now let's press the play icon and view our dynamically updating data to see which agent has the maximum hold time. IBM Cognos Real-Time Monitoring helps you stay on top of the fast-breaking information that's critical to your operational front line. By displaying your data in an intuitive workspace that supports key intra-hourly and daily time intervals, you gain the insight you need to take quick, informed action.